It's time to switch gears now and talk about the next investing category of active trading. These brokerage platforms are going to be a lot more advanced with features that are geared towards those who place a lot of trades and rely on robust charting and data. At the top of our list here for the best active trading brokerage account, we have none other than Webull. Webull is specifically designed for active traders who want powerful research tools packed into an easy-to-use platform which works well on both the app as well as the desktop platform. In terms of the features offered, Webull offers advanced charting tools, real-time market data, a customizable interface, a seamless multi-platform experience, advanced order types that you're not going to find most other places, and coolest of all to me is their paper trading simulation feature. The paper trading simulator allows users to practice trading without spending any money, but it's tied into the real-time market data, and it's going to operate in the same manner as the Webull trading app when you're using real money. This can be a great way to get comfortable with a new app or trading strategy without having to risk any actual money. In addition, Webull also has a separate app called Webull Pay, which is focused specifically around cryptocurrency trading. So if you're looking for crypto investments, you're going to want to check out that app separately. In addition, Webull also offers free fractional shares as a promotional bonus for new users who open and fund an account. The free fractional shares are worth between $3,000 and $3,000 each, and the number of shares awarded depends on the deposit amount. Guys, I'll put the current free stock promotion on screen now, but click the link below or visit ryanoscribner.com/Webull to see the latest free stock bonus offer, and I also have a full Webull tutorial that I will link up down below too. Up next on our list here we have Moomoo, another popular active stock trading app. Moomoo is a global investment and trading platform that was founded in 2018, and the parent company, Futu Holdings, is a multi-billion-dollar fintech company that actually trades on the Nasdaq. I've been using Moomoo for active stock trades for about 5 years now, but this isn't my primary brokerage account. With Moomoo, you can trade US and international stocks, as well as ETFs and options with no trading commissions. In addition, you can even trade assets in other global markets, such as Australia, Hong Kong, and more, which is unique compared to most other investing apps. Similar to Webull, Moomoo offers advanced trading tools, real-time market data, and paper trading, among other great features. It actually has even more research tools and data available than Webull, making it an even more advanced investing app. But the important thing to keep in mind here is that the app and platform still remain user-friendly despite being packed with so much data and information. And just like Webull, Moomoo is offering a free fractional share promotion. You can check the current offer by visiting the link on screen or down in the description below. To finish off the category here of the best active trading brokers, we have Interactive Brokers, or IBKR for short. Interactive Brokers is a global electronic brokerage firm that provides traders, investors, and institutions with access to over 150 markets worldwide. Known for its low-cost, high-speed trading platform, it offers a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, and funds, all from one single unified account. So in terms of the asset selection and access to global markets, IBKR is really second to none. What sets Interactive Brokers apart is its powerful technology, advanced trading tools, and transparent pricing, making it especially popular among active traders and trading professionals. So whether you're an individual investor yourself or you're managing institutional capital, Interactive Brokers gives you the tools and global reach to trade smarter and more efficiently. So guys, I would definitely encourage you to learn more about them, and you can even support my channel by using my link, which is ryanoscribner.com/IBKR. This is also going to be linked up down in the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for later this summer when I do a full Interactive Brokers tutorial.